Fundamental rights give us freedom, but it is the directive principles under Article 36 to 51 that give directions to the nation. If Part 3rd is the heart of the Constitution, then Part 4th is its conscience. Directive principles of state policy, Article 36 to 51. Article 36 is related with the definition of state for DPSPs. Here, the state has the same meaning as in Part 3rd. Article 37, DPSPs is not enforceable by court but fundamental in governance of the country. Article 38 is related with social order for welfare. A state to promote social, economic and political justice. Number 2, it reduces inequalities in income, status, opportunities. One line memory trick. Article 38 is equal to equality booster. Article 39 is related with principles of policy. States shall ensure A. adequate means of livelihood, B. fair distribution of resources, C. no concentration of wealth, D. equal pay for equal work, E. protection of workers and children, F. healthy development of children. Most important article, this is the most important article for exams. Article 39A, free legal aid and equal justice. This Article 39A has a direct link with Article 14 and Legal Services Act. Article 40 is related with organization of village panchayats. It has the foundations of 73rd Constitutional Amendment. Article 41, right to work, education and public assistance. In cases of unemployment, old age, sickness, disability, subject to economic capacity of the state, this is the conditional DPSP. Article 42 is related with human work conditions and maternity relief. It is related to Maternity Benefit Act. Article 43 is related with living wage, not just minimum wage, but the wage must be to live a decent standard of life and also to ensure full enjoyment of leisure and social and cultural opportunities. Article 43A, workers' participations in management industries. This Article 43A was added by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code UCC for the citizens. The states shall endure to secure UCC throughout India. Highly controversial but exam favorite article. Article 45 is related with early childhood care, free and compulsory education for children up to 6 years. This article was modified after 86th Amendment. Article 46, SC and ST and weaker sections. Promote educational and economic interest and protect from social injustice and exploitations. Article 47, improve nutrition, health, prohibition of intoxicating drugs, drinks, except for medicinal purpose. Article 48, agricultural and animal husbandry. Modernize agriculture, prohibit slaughter of cows, calves and milch cattle. Must remember that cases regarding cow slaughter originate from here. Article 48A, protection of environment. A, protect and improve environment. Number 2, safeguard forest and wildlife. This is a green directive principle of state policy. It was inserted by 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Article 49 is related with protection of monuments of national importance. Article 50, separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51 is related to promote international peace and respect international law. This article is related with foreign policy philosophy. One line super mnemonic from Article 36 to 51. define, guide, equal, distribute, justice, panchayat, work, women, wage, workers, UCC, child, SC/ST, health, cow, green, monuments, judiciary, world peace. One line summary for exam purposes. Article 36 to 51 lay down the moral, social and economic blueprint for a welfare state, guiding governance though not enforceable by court. What would be the consequences if there were no directive principles of state policy? The consequences without DPSPs are: number one, the constitution would be only about rights and not about responsibilities. Number two, social revolutions would have slowed down. Number three, welfare schemes would lack constitutional support. Number four, fundamental rights would feel incomplete. Number five, courts would have less scope to expand Article 21. Number six, India might not become a welfare state. Thus, without directive principles, the Constitution would have guaranteed political democracy but failed to ensure socio-economic transformations. DPSPs act as the conscience and blueprint of governance, guiding India towards a welfare state.